Hey guys, I said that I'm going to update you guys as soon as possible when a new update comes out for the Oneplus 7 series, and today I actually got a new notification that the Oxygen OS Beta 14 now is available for the Oneplus 7 Pro, the EU version, and I had to make this video for you guys to how you can install that if you're on the stable version of Oxygen OS software. So what you can do is that you can go to the Oxygen Updater app, and if you don't already have that, you can search in the Google and download this app for your device. And after you set that up for your specific device, and right here, if you already have this app set up, you can go and check just to be sure that it's the right device you have ticked in here. And also on the update method, you have to click on the open beta full update, because if you're on a stable version, you have to download the open beta full update to install that. But if you already have the open beta 13, this one is open beta 14 that we're going to install today, then you have to click on the incremental update. But mine is on the stable version, so I have to move to the beta as my first time, so I have to click on the full update. And also, if you don't already have this open beta 14 for download, which is 2.18 gigabytes, you can click on the three dots right here and go to the settings, and after that you can go to the advanced mode and enable that. After that, you should be able to, after you refresh here, you should be able to see this and also other the features. But I'm going to go through the features and the fixes that they brought with this update after I install this. So what you can do now is go ahead and click on the download update right here and wait for this to download. Okay guys, so now that it's downloading, I'm going to go through the fixes and the new features that is brought with this new open beta 14. So it says here that they fixed the problem with some software voice input cannot be recognized. The other thing is they fixed the problem of disappearance of contacts in the address book in some devices. Myself is on the stable version, so I didn't have this problem before. And also the more important feature for me, an exciting feature, is that they brought more clock styles options, and it's now available in the ambient display settings customization clock style. They also improved the system stability and fixed general issues, and they updated the under security patch to 2020-05. In the phone app, you can view all call recording, call history, and you can also move the call history and click on the three dots on the menu upper right corner and access the call recording right there. So if you go to the settings on the stable version right here and go to the customization, and here on the clock style, if you click on that, you have the default one, you have the analog one, and the minimalism is called. This is the last one you have. So you have total of 3 options in terms of clock style, and you can also disable that. So I think they brought 7 new clock styles that you can choose from, and they're actually really cool ones, so we're going to go through them after I install this update. The update has downloaded and it's 2.18 gigabytes. Also, earlier I misread the update name. As you can see here, the Oxygen OS Open Beta 14 is called Oneplus 7 Pro Oxygen underline 13W. So it's not 14, it's 13W. And if you go to the settings here and scroll down to system, and here at the bottom, system updates, you have to click on the gear icon right here and go to local upgrade. And as you can see here, it's the same file name, Oneplus 7 Pro Oxygen 13W13. So it's the same name. Don't get it confused with the 13 update. It's actually called 13 on the name, but it's actually the 14th beta. So right now you can click on this and click install now. So right now you have to just wait, be patient for this to install, and after that your device is going to restart. And also I'm going to warn you guys that you should back up your your things like photos, videos and musics before you install this. So if you didn't already know, there's actually a way to install a full custom patch for the official firmware. If you're on the stable, you don't have to unlock your bootloader or having a rooted device. You just have to install this patch, which is available for every device that is OnePlus 8, OnePlus 7T and the 7 series. And there's also a forum release on the XE developers that how you can install that. So right now, as you guys know, you have the dynamic, the movie and the music profile for your Dolby Atmos settings for the OnePlus series. And after you install the patch, you'll be able to have a full ability to customize the sound to your likings. And if you guys are interested, give this video a like and let me know down below if you're interested for me to make this video on how you can install this on your device, and also how to optimize the sound best suited for your speakers and headphones. Okay guys, so the installation progress has finished. You can go ahead and reboot right here. So it's going to restart, and you have to be patient and wait for this to restart. And it already said in the app that it's going to take up to 15 minutes if not less, so be patient with this. Right now it's installed, so let's go and check. Let's see if this is the beta 14 right here. If you go to the about phone, and we can see here OP7 Pro 02 beta 14. So this is the right beta. So the features are the most exciting features that I'm excited for actually is here. If you go to the customization and you go to the clock styles, you can see here they change the name. They just called it default digital 1, digital 2 instead of minimalist and other names that it was. So they just simplified the names. So the new ones are the digital 2 here. This is the nicest one in my opinion. There's also the text clock with this actually just says it's 317, and there's a bold one, there's an analog 1, analog 2, analog 3. This is a nice one actually also. And there's also minimalist 1, minimalist 2. The difference are not much. And there's one also to disable that, but my favorite is actually analog 1 or the digital. So if you check this and go home, and you can see here this is a nice one. So you can go ahead and unlock this. So this is the features. Also I went through the bug fixes earlier that they can that they fixed. So this is a nice update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to actually update you guys and make new videos every time there's a new update. Hopefully they don't pull that back again as they did this one and the 13 beta. And also guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm going to release a new video and I'm going to review the OnePlus 7 Pro. And I know there's a lot of reviews out there for this device, but my content is actually targeted at students, and this device is the perfect phone for us and for those that want to pay $700 or less for best quality phone and other things that are targeted for students. I'm going to release the review of this phone as soon as possible. So thank you guys. I see you next time.